Hey you guys, I'm Jay, and this is Our Simple How-Tos. And today we are going to, you hardly ever think about it until you need it. This little tiny rear window blades. Be right back. Okay you guys, yeah, these are actually very simple, unless you've never seen it done before. Then it can be, then what do you do? What do you do here? I mean, you push this button, is this a button? I mean, this only comes up this far. How do you replace the blade? Well, let me show you. No tools. No tools. Just spread this apart a little bit. Real simple. It's flexible. Now you can pull your wiper arm up. This is the arm. This is a blade. This is a 10-inch blade, and I will have my Amazon associate link in the description for a 10-inch rear wiper blade. So now this, at this point right here, you are going to hear like a click. Don't be afraid to, you think you might be breaking it, but look, hear that? Okay, now, this is how simple this is. You got it right here. So now you just wiggle it, and out it comes. And you can see this right here goes right in here. So now you want to make sure that you're putting the new one on the same way. Not like this, because that's how you break it. So here's my new one. The same way. Now, so now we just, this one's going to be a little tighter because it's brand new. It just slips right in. Okay, now since this is a brand new blade, listen. Now you see, you think you're going to break something, but that's it. It's snapping in like that. You see the 3 tabs there? Put that down. Close this. And you're done. It's that simple. But you got to know how to do it, otherwise you're going to break something. But anyway, like I was saying, I have this my Amazon link in the description for one of these. About $10 is what I paid. Anyway, I love you guys. You want to have a nice supple rubber blade. Love you guys. Who knows what we're going to fix next, or show you simple things to do. Our Simple How-Tos. So love you guys. Subscribe. Send this video to somebody who needs to replace a rear wiper blade, especially if it's a Jeep Compass. 2018 to 2023 Jeep Compass rear wiper blade. All right, love you guys. We'll see you sometime soon.